Myntri Rangbah konrat ke Samla haka khatlai tarik rempang ulah yar Mawkyrwat constituency ban Pyrta Elekshon naga bentau kertong ke NPP ba karnes sosong haka babun ki jaka ki bakentup ya ke Shisngi maulen mau thau pada rangblang dolun maulangwir rangmau bat hasakwang haki jingkren jungu haki ni ki jaka u konrat ulaya thu baka sorkar kala pruit dak bun ki kampenroi naga bentaka ni kathan ula ong rugi kampen roy hakani kathan ki padon kamban pentrei kerki ki long ban penbhai ki jaka jengok kai perthei ya kilengti sengken ki madan babha ban kentia wiki sports babonjan ko umbam umdi bante ya ki yeng school babha ban kentia wi karap karyang ka khayi pateng pat ban play ki lat kamai kaji na ka banta ki Samla ki balong kalawe jong Khuborjylla hakani kesngi u konrat ula pediang bun ki jingker pat na ki Shillong na ka banta ban wanra iki kampen roy haki Shillong jongki bat haka constituency Baroh kawe.
Let us all give a round of applause.
Everything the boss is there. So when boss says yes, then I will do. No problem. So you have to convince the boss. So Karnes is the boss here. So he will decide on how I should work. And all I can tell you is that as per his direction and instructions, I will do whatever it takes to implement these different schemes and projects and improve the overall development scenario here in the constituency. But as I said, it is very important that we work together and not be taken on the side by political parties who are trying to, as I said, divide us and trying to create a negative environment in society, which is something that I really don't appreciate and I don't like. As I said, we are here to serve the people. We are here to bring development for the people. We are here to make life better for the people and not throw dirt and talk negative and bad things about other political parties. I don't think that is healthy politics. And I don't like that kind of negative politics. So we as a party, we believe in positive politics and we will ensure that we are able to work together. But for that, I will need all your support. And in this coming election, I once again request and urge all of you to work in support of Karnes in this coming election on the NPP symbol and the NPP ticket. So with these few words, once again, thank you all and wish you all the very best and may God bless each and every one of you. Thank you so much.
To see with my own eyes the village, to meet all of you, to hear with my own ears the problems that you're facing. And that's why I thank God for leading me and bringing me here. And I thank Karnes for making this program possible so that I could come here and see all of you, visit your village. I don't know if other chief ministers have come before or not. First time. So I'm the lucky one. I am the lucky one to have that honor of being the first chief minister to come to your village. So it's a great honor for me and I'm very happy, very tired, but very happy. We have already had, I think, 8 or 9 meetings now. We have one more meeting and I'll be reaching Delhi at 2 o'clock in the morning. And then again, 7 o'clock tomorrow morning, I'll be going to Uttarakhand. But anyway, this is part of our life. But I'm so happy, as I said, to be here. Karnes has been working very hard and as a leader, a very humble man, a very approachable man. And I urge all of you that the quality of the leadership has to be seen. What kind of humility the person has, the character of the person. And I think Karnes has got all the qualities of being a good and a humble and a capable leader. And I feel that all of you should always keep that in mind and support him in every way possible. There will be many people who will come and say many things. Election is, you know how. All kinds of lecture is given. All kind of negative talk is given. All kind of talk that is, all about dividing people, society and blaming others. I don't believe in that politics, and I don't like that kind of politics. I believe in positive politics. I believe that we are here for a purpose. We are here to serve the people. God has given us this opportunity for a reason. And I don't want to be wasting my time talking bad about others. I don't believe that. We have limited time, we will do good as much as possible. And today is a chance for me to do that. I was so happy when our Myntri told me and told all of us that very large programs, both from the Church of God as well as from the Presbyterian Church, will be happening in 28. So therefore, we will work together. I assure you, we will work together to make it successful. All the